so far? Any questions? Okay. Okay. You ready? Okay. Okay. Then I'm gonna help you get started on the Chromebooks. Okay. And then I'm here to help you with anything you need with the Chromebooks. Okay. But if you have any questions about the budget, any questions about the math, the social studies, working with the budget, those questions are from Mrs. Nuzzo. Okay. All right. Open up your Chromebooks, please. And of course, we've gone over this before, but let me remind you, if you're looking at your Chromebook and you already see the black screen with the 3 white lines, that means someone before you didn't log out. Raise your hand if you see that screen. You're going to click in the corner and log somebody else out. Sign up. Yep. Thank you for being responsible. Right.
Okay, so now we need to. Here's another one.
Okay. X out for me. Go down to the picture in the corner. And sign that person out. Thank you for being honest. Is there anybody else who opened their Chromebook and did not get the email box? Good. Go ahead. I see some of you already started. That's fantastic. Log yourselves in with your full email address and password.
Date and due natures, do you have that? Okay. Got it, Abby? You know what it is, you remember?
Are you in already? I'm in.
Okay.
Good.
Okay, Devin, you need to get your login.
Okay, well, before we do your password, let's go back. We have no spaces in the email address.
Okay.
So no space between A and no space between C. All right. Next, your password. It's because of this part up here, buddy. You need your .com.
Did you put .com?
No, it's not .com.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Now your password again.
I spelled my last name wrong, and I didn't put that.
Okay. If you are logged into your Chromebook, would you please click the red M at the bottom of your screen so you can get into your email? And then wait for us there. Your number. There you go. And then go to the red M when it shows up, okay? So we're in your email. Okay. Red M, buddy.
I can't see that. Looks like a mail. Then we're going to open that up.
Okay, wait there.
Okay. There we go. Okay. All right. Did you see this here? That's so good. Okay, everyone should have a territory. Did you open it already? Let's go around.
Oh my God.
Now do your password. You have your budget. Okay, I have everybody in over here. I have everybody.
Everybody's good back in the back to room?
Yes.
Okay. Just hit this little guy. I'll come check on you in just a minute, okay? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you're in your email, you should have 2 emails, okay? You should have an email, maybe you even have more emails than that, but the 2 we want to look at, one is called budget, so look in your subject area. One is called budget. Don't click on it yet for me. Don't click on it yet. And the other one we're going to use at the end of the lesson today is the one called turn-in box. Okay? So for now, I want you to click on the email subject budget. Now for you back there, sir, budget, budget. The one that says budget, budget. Right? You got it. Open that up for me. And then you're going to see a link like this. Real long, with a lot of funny letters and numbers. Is there anybody that does not see it, a long link like this? Excellent. Hands off your Chromebook. Hands off. Let me show you what it's going to look like. When you click on the picture, it's going to take you to a screen like this. And it's going to ask, would you like to make a copy of, and then whatever your budget's called. You've got to make a copy. So you're going to click make a copy. When you do that, not yet, hands off, I'll let you know when it's your turn. When you do that, your budget's going to come up. And what I need you to do, when your budget comes up, to just make sure we're all in the right spots, I need you and everybody in your group to make sure your budget is called the same thing. Some of you have food budget A. Some of you have food budget B. Some of you have food budget C. Some of you have entertainment budget A, entertainment budget B, or entertainment budget C. You guys are so smart. And then some of you have game budget A, game budget B, or game budget C. Get the idea? Everybody in your group has to have the exact same budget. So I need you to click on your link. Do it with me. Click on your link.
I clicked on it.
Click the make a copy button. And now talk with your group. Make sure you all have the same budget.
The card builder budget is $300.
Raise your hand if you have a different budget than your group mates. Okay? So everybody here should have food budget C. Everybody in here should have entertainment budget A. You guys should have game budget A, yes? Make a copy. And you have entertainment budget C. Are you entertainment budget C? Okay. What do you guys have? Food budget A. What do you guys have? What do you guys have? And you guys have?
B. Yeah, B.
Excellent. Okay.
We're good.
Now, before you start, and I already heard some of you already talking about your budget. Some of you have already noticed problems with your budget. That's fabulous. Before you start, here's what you need to know on the Chromebooks today. Because you guys are looking at the same budget, okay? You need to make sure that if you make a change, that everybody's got that same change on their budget. Okay? Because remember, Mrs. Nuzzo told you that even though you're working in a group today, you are each emailing her your own budget for a grade. Okay? So you're responsible for typing your own work on the screen. Understand that? You guys good with that? Any questions about that? Okay. So now, as Mrs. Nuzzo told you, it's your job to make changes to this budget. I also want you to notice that there's some blue questions that you're going to need to answer. Is this budget correct? And please explain any changes you would make. So you're going to make the changes up here on your budget, and you're going to explain down here the changes you made to your budget. Okay? Questions about that? Okay. All right. Go ahead and start talking with your group.
Start talking amongst your group.
And make
You guys all have
changes to
the
your
same thing
budget
now, so you don't have to share